go. Beautiful. As you can tell, the truck is very dirty. I just took it out off onto the ranch. Maybe I'll get a video of that later on. Just dirty. I mean, no shine whatsoever. Dirty, dirty, dirty. Can't even explain it. Oh yeah, she'll look better after this. I'm gonna grab our brush. So the last part of this entire project is just gonna be me cleaning the rest of it. It's not that eventful, so we'll just skip to the end. Okay, agree or disagree? My truck needs a little bit of a louder exhaust. It's pretty good, but I've heard better. The engine makes more noise than the exhaust does, which is kind of due to an exhaust leak, which maybe I'll do a parts change video, but I don't know about it yet. Well, here's the final product. Not too shabby for a half-hour project, if I do say so myself. She looks darn good. I mean, just shiny. It's all get out. Beautiful arrow nose, OBS looking fascia right there. Just love it, I love it, I love it. So after about 3 likes, I'll do a driving video where I just drive this thing. There's only 2 people who watch my videos, so it's a challenge. Let's see if we can do it. One thing I have to say, agree or disagree. Where's my keys?